Welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. We are currently looking at HBAR, the 6:03 p.m. Friday, June 2nd, and I wanted to give you an update on HBAR just to give you something a little bit positive right now, because it's been a lot of bad news. On the 30-minute time frame, and this is not the 30-minute, we are currently sitting on the 1 week, but on the 30-minute time frame, we have reclaimed the 20-day moving average, temporarily at least. Now on this weekly, yes, we're still below it, but I want you to look at this on the weekly time frame. Two things. Number one, this could be a giant W reversal of sorts, especially if we bring it into the monthly time frame. That might be a lot easier to see. In fact, we'll go to the monthly time frame after this. The other thing I want you to look at is the momentum. Look at this momentum to the downside on the weekly time frame. That looks like consolidation momentum. That doesn't look like, oh my gosh, we're going to bleed out and die momentum to the downside. So that momentum to the downside, even though it's happening, it's waning. It seems to be really waning in the strength, okay? So that's a positive. Let me take you to the monthly and let's just take a look at this. And what I want to tell you real quick is I still have, by the way, if you're watching my videos on the S&P 500, I was spot on with my move that I told you to watch for, right? And I still have, let's get this MACD down here. I still have a chart available for you with a potential $4 move on it, even a possible $6 move long on it over the next month or two. So if that sounds like a trade that might interest you, you know what? Just contact me or leave a comment in the comment section below, and we will get in contact and I will help you take a look at that video with that chart so you know exactly which stock I'm looking at for that explosive move. Now, this to me, you can definitely see, looks like the building of a W reversal on the monthly time frame. And I think once we get the momentum going to the upside and we really break past about the 8-cent mark and we break past that 9-cent mark there, we're really gonna possibly be coming up fast, because you know HBAR is behind the rest of the market right now. It just is. And I think a lot of people, because they see what's happening in these lower time frames and how ugly it looks, they're just waiting. They're waiting for probably rock bottom. And that's essentially what I'm waiting for at this point. I'm looking at possibly, if I'm seeing a reversal, buying in at the 4-cent mark, the 4.42, right? Or maybe lower than that, maybe even on this trend line here, but depending on how fast this might come down. You know, if it comes down fast enough past there, you could get a 4-cent 2294 level. Really not much difference there. So I think once we get to this area right here, we're going to start to see the buyers more than likely step back in. You can definitely see that on the monthly time frame as well, our momentum is shifting now, and we're about to head back to some positive momentum. Definitely the exiting volume is, we hardly have any volume at all. This is essentially like flagging volume, right? So the exiting volume though is going down month over month. And so I really think right in here, we might go down a little further, but we're getting to a point to where I think we're gonna see a shift. And that shift could happen next week. We could see this W reversal right here, and we might start to see a reversal in those lower time frames that I can bring to you and say, hey, look, looks like HBAR is about to head back to where it belongs. So that's your update on HBAR. I am the Market Wolf. We will see you next time.